Hello children, welcome to 10 Learns. Today we are doing questions and answers and book exercise of chapter 1st of Science, class 6. First of all, we are doing fill in the blanks. First, green plants are known as dash because they prepare their own food. So green plants are known as producers because they prepare their own food. Second, the stem of dash plant is used to make sugar. The stem of sugarcane plant is used to make sugar. Third, dash is collected from beehives and has medicinal value. Honey is collected from beehives and has medicinal value. Fourth, dash is made from churning fresh cream. Butter is made from churning fresh cream. Fifth, a dash feeds on flesh of dead animals. A scavenger feeds on flesh of dead animal. Now we start the second portion, that is choose the correct options. First, the flowers of which of these plants are eaten as vegetables? A. Broccoli and cauliflower. B. Banana. C. Cabbage and ginger. D. Both A and B. So the correct answer is both A and B. Second, the seeds of this plant are used as spices. A. Wheat. B. Cumin. C. Maize. D. Chickpea. The correct answer is cumin. Third, which of these is made if you put a few drops of lemon juice in hot milk? A. Curd. B. Butter. C. Ghee. And D. Paneer. The correct answer is paneer. Fourth, this food product is obtained from beehives. A. Honey. B. Eggs. C. Nectar. D. Milk. The correct answer is honey. Fifth, which of these do herbivores depend on for their food? A. Plants. B. Flesh of other animals. C. Dead plants and animals. D. All of these. The correct answer is A. Plants. Sixth, which of the following animal is carnivore? A. Butterfly. B. Spider. C. Honeybee. D. Squirrel. The correct answer is B. Spider. 7. Which of these animals have sharpest front teeth? A. Snake. B. Squirrels. C. Tigers. D. Cows. The correct answer is B. Squirrels. 8. Which of these animals swallow their prey whole? A. Snake. B. Butterflies. C. Eagle. D. Elephants. The correct answer is A. Snake. 9th, which of these decompose dead plants and animals? A. Crow and raccoons. B. Fungi and bacteria. C. Vulture and hawks. D. Raccoons and chameleons. The correct answer is B. Fungi and bacteria. 10th, which of the following birds has a sharp and pointed beak? A. Eagle. B. Hawk. C. Crow. D. None of them. The correct answer is C. Crow. Now we come on the next section. Give one word for these followings. First, the green pigment present in leaves of green plants is chlorophyll. Second, the process by which plants prepare their own food is called photosynthesis. C. Products obtained from milk are called dairy products. Fourth, the process by which milk gets separated into solid and liquid parts is called curdling. Fifth, organisms that decompose dead plants and animals are called decomposers. Now come on the next section. Give 2 examples for each of the following. First, roots that we eat as vegetables are carrot and radish. Stems that we eat as vegetables are potato and ginger. Leaves that we eat as vegetables, spinach and cabbage. Seeds that are eaten after sprouting are chickpeas and lentils. Animals that gives us eggs, hen and duck. Now we come on short answer type questions. The first question is, what are the main source of food? The main source of food are plants and animals. Different plant parts such as root, stem, leaf, flower, and fruit serves as sources of food. Animals are the another source of food which provides us meat, egg, honey, milk, curd, butter and ghee. Second question, why do we need to have calcium rich food? We need to have calcium rich food because it is required for healthy teeth and bones and also for proper nerve functioning. The main food rich in calcium are dairy products such as milk, butter, cheese and curd. Question 3. How do we commonly make curd at home? The common method of making curd at home includes adding a small sample of curd in warm milk. The microorganisms, that is the bacteria, present in curd sample turns the milk into curd. Question 4. What is sprouting? Sprouting involves soaking seeds, draining the water and then leaving them till they germinate. When seeds get germinated, thin tiny white thread-like structure comes out of the seed. The seeds start sprouting when they get the right amount of air, water and warmth. Sprouts can be eaten raw, as salad or cooked. Question 5. Define the following terms. First, herbivores. Animals that eat only plants and plant products are called herbivores. Example, cow, deer, horses. B. Carnivores. Now, carnivores are animals that eat only flesh of other animals. Examples are lion, tiger, jackal and eagle. Third is omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat both plants and the flesh of other animals. For example, bear, crow and human beings. Now we will discuss long answer type questions. Question first. Describe with example that how plants are important source of food. Answer is, different plant parts serve as sources of food for us. Fruits, vegetables, cereals and pulses that we eat are obtained from different parts of plants. For example, roots, carrot, radish, turnip, beetroot and sweet potato are the roots that we eat. Second is stem. The stems that we use as food are sugarcane and stem of banana plant. Some of the underground or modified stems that we use are potato and ginger. Third, leaves. Lettuce, spinach, cabbage, kale and fenugreek, that is methi, are the leaves that we eat. Flowers. Cauliflower, broccoli and banana flowers are used as vegetables. Now seeds. Seeds that we use as food are pulses, cereals, dry fruits and edible seeds. The pulses are mung beans, kidney beans, chickpeas, etc. Cereals are wheat, maize, rice, oat, etc. Dry fruits are almonds, cashew nuts, walnuts, etc. The edible seeds that we eat are chia seed, flaxseed, hemp seed and chia seed, flaxseed, hemp seed and pumpkin seeds, and there are many more. The fruits that we use are apple, mango, banana, peach, orange, etc. are the fruits that we use as fruits, and brinjal, tomato, bottle gourd, etc. are the fruits that we use as vegetables. Second question is, what are milk products? With the help of paneer and curd, explain how we can get them. Answer is, milk is obtained from animals such as cow, buffalo, camel and goat. It is a very nutritious food item and is a rich source of protein. Products made from milk are known as dairy products or milk products. Paneer. Paneer can be made by adding lemon juice or vinegar to hot milk. This process is called curdling. This results in separation of milk into solid and liquid parts. Then the liquid portion is drained off and the solid part forms the paneer. Curd. For making curd, we add small sample of curd in warm milk. The microorganisms, that is the bacteria present in the curd sample, turns the milk into curd. Question 3. Classify animals based on type of food they eat. Explain each group in detail. Answer. Based on the feeding habits, animals can be divided into 5 groups: herbivores, carnivores, omnivores, scavengers, and the decomposers. First is herbivores. Herbivores are animals whose primary food source is plant-based, that is, they eat only plants and plant products. Examples are cow, deer, horse, etc. Carnivores. Carnivores are animals that eat only flesh of other animals. For example, lion, tiger, jackal, owl, eagle, snake, and spider. Third, omnivores. Omnivores are animals that eat both plant and flesh of other animals. Examples are bear, raccoon, crow, and human beings. Fourth, scavengers. Instead of hunting live animals, some birds and animals eat the flesh of other animals that are already dead. Examples are vulture, crow, hyenas, and crabs. Fifth, decomposers. Decomposers are organisms that feed on and decompose dead remains of plants and animals into simple substances and mix them into the soil. For example, fungi, bacteria, and earthworm. Question 4. Write a note on types of teeth found in following groups of animals. First is herbivores. Herbivores such as cows, goats, horses have wide blunt teeth that are suitable for pulling plants off the ground and grinding them. B. Squirrels have a pair of broad, sharp, and edged front teeth that are incisors in each jaw. They use these teeth to grow food items such as nuts. C. Insects such as butterflies don't have teeth. They have mouth parts shaped as straw to suck nectar from the flowers. Second part is carnivores. Carnivores such as lion and tiger have sharp and pointed front teeth, that is canines. They have sharp claws and powerful jaws which help them to tear flesh. B. Carnivorous birds such as eagle and hawk have curved pointed beaks that allow them to tear flesh. C. Carnivorous fish such as shark have several small sharp teeth that help them to bite off chunks of flesh. The third is omnivores. Omnivores such as bear and human beings have different types of teeth that help them to eat both plants and flesh of animals. Omnivorous birds such as crow have sharp and pointed beaks that help them to eat a variety of food. So that are the all questions and answers and book exercise of this chapter. See you soon with the next video, chapter 2. Till then, take care and God bless you.